Hello class, this is a video tutorial on calculating the median. The median is the middle score after a data set is arranged in ascending order. The median divides the data set so that there are equal numbers above and below the median. So you could almost say, you can say it's the 50% mark. So if let's say we have a bunch of tests, and let's say we have 5 test results. Let's say someone got 30%, someone got 32%, someone got 60%, somebody got would say 70%, and then 77, and then 79. The median in this case would have to split this set of scores so that there are equal numbers above and below the line. So in this case, I made it very simple. It would be right here. The median would be some number right in between here. As you can see, it splits it so that there's 3 below and 3 above. But this is just a quick understanding of what the median is. I'm going to go straight into some examples so that we can figure out how to calculate the median. For the first, for this video, I'm going to be going through the simple method of doing it with a small data set. So let's say we have a data set of 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, and 7. For this, how we calculate the median, first we have to check is if this is in ascending order. Well, it's been given to us, that's ascending order. So all we do now is we start crossing off numbers from the left and from the right, one at a time, until we close in to a point in the middle. So let's do that right now. So I'm just going to cross off the 2 from the left, that's the 7 from the right. I'm just going to keep crossing off like this. So left, right, left, right, left, right. We're left with one number. And in this case, well, that's pretty simple. We have the median is 4. Okay, so let's do another example here. Let's go with question B. We'll go with 7, 9, 7, 9, 3, 9, 8. And in this case, this is not in ascending order. So what we have to do first is put it in ascending order. So we'll start with the 3 is the lowest number. Cross that off. Next number is the 7. And then the 8. 7 and the 8. Then the 9 and the 9. And just like we did in the previous example, we're just going to start crossing off numbers on the left and on the right. So cross off 1 on the left, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. We're left with 8. And in this example, the median is 8. Is equal to 8. That should be equals. Okay. Let's just do 2 more examples now. Here we are. We'll go example C. Let's take this data set of 3, 4, 8, 9, 8, 9, 3, 5. And actually, I'll draw up another data set. I'd like for you to go ahead, give that a go as I draw this up. The next data set is 3, 4, 8, 2, 9, 8, 9, 10, 3, and 8. Okay, you can go ahead, pause the video, and give this a go. Alright. Okay, so once again, first step is to put this into ascending order. Smallest numbers first, 3 and 3. So we have 2 3s, 1, 2. Cross those off. Next number is 4. Next number is 5. 2 8s, 8, 8. And 2 9s, 9, 9. And just like in the previous example, we're just going to start crossing off from the left and from the right. So here we go. 1 from the left, 1 from the right, 1 from the left, 1 from the right, left and the right. But in this case, we're left with 2 numbers. And in cases that we have 2 numbers, the median is the average of the 2, because it has to be in the middle somewhere here. Okay? So how we find that exact middle point here is that we find the average. So we're going to go, so the median is the average of those 2 numbers. So it's going to be 5 plus 8 over 2 numbers. 5 plus 8 is 13 over 2. This is going to give us 6.5, I believe, yes, 6.5. So the median is 6.5 right there in the middle. Last example. Once again, we have to organize this into ascending order. I believe 2 is the smallest number, so 2, then 3, 3, 4, that's all. 8, 8 and 8, so we have 3 8s, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 9s, and 1 10. And just like before, we're just going to find the median by crossing off from the left and the right. In cases that I have large numbers, I go 2 at a time. So by that I mean I go 2 from the left, 1, 2, 2 from the right, 1, 2, 2 from the left, 1, 2, 2 from the right, 1, 2, which gives us 2 numbers in the end, 8 and 8. So just like before, we want the median to be the average of 8 and 8. So we go median is equal to 8 plus 8 over 2. That's 16 over 2, which gives us a median of 8. Okay, so I hope that helps you in understanding how to calculate the median from a data set.